Owens Corning Roofing is committed to providing quality products that are easy to sell and install. One such product is our DuraRidge Hip Ridge Shingles. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to properly install DuraRidge Hip Ridge Shingles. DuraRidge Hip Ridge Shingles feature the strength of sure nail technology, which provides a prominent nailing area for faster installation. It's designed to deliver long-term durability with 130-mile-per-hour wind warranty performance. With dramatic appearance and vibrant true-definition colors, DuraRidge looks as good as it performs. Before getting started, make sure you have the proper safety equipment. Failure to use proper safety equipment and footwear can result in serious injury. This video complements the written Owens Corning installation instructions for DuraRidge Hip Ridge Shingles found at our website, owenscorning.com/roofing. Please use the written installation instructions in conjunction with this video to ensure a correct installation. Start installation at the edge of the ridge opposite of prevailing wind direction. Arrange DuraRidge Hip Ridge Shingles along the center line so that both halves of the laminated piece fall on opposite sides of the hip or ridge. Fasten starter piece with one nail on each side, 1 inch in from the side edge. Continue to fasten each full shingle through the top laminated piece with one nail on each side, placed 9 inches back from the exposed end and 1 inch in from the side edge, starting from the fixed edge of each shingle. Note that fasteners must be placed into the sure nail fastening area. Apply remaining hip and ridge shingles in the same manner with 8-inch exposure. When finishing the ridge, leave no laminated portion of the last hip and ridge shingle exposed. One option is to use the 8-inch exposure portion of a hip and ridge shingle, cutting a piece the appropriate length to extend over the laminated portion of the shingle to the edge of the ridge. Fasten final piece with 2 nails, each 1 inch in from each side edge. Cover exposed fasteners with asphalt roof cement. It's recommended to cover the roofing cement with granules. DuraRidge Hip Ridge Shingle is also a component of the Owens Corning Total Protection Roofing System, giving you the assurance that all Owens Corning roofing components are working together to help increase the performance of the roof. For more information about DuraRidge Hip Ridge Shingles and other roofing accessory products, visit owenscorning.com/roofing or call 1-800-GET